another wonderfully cold Washington morning. Starting off with a thank you to everybody who has been subscribing, liking all these videos, watching all these videos, taking the time out of your day to watch my stupid self do stupid stuff. But you know what? Lately we've just been getting boxes and boxes and boxes. Insert key box. Almost stabbed myself in the face there. Didn't even finish opening this one last night. They have lots and lots of packing in them. So today we have a plan that tells you things aren't going to go the way I want them to. Because if I plan something, then things go wrong. Recently, I planned to do a bathroom for my old lady's Christmas slash Valentine slash all that's passed and I'm still not finished with it. I suck. Planned to get the S10 done really quick. Didn't get that done really quick. Feel like I got everything. Let's find out. 2 1-ton TREs, tie rod ends. Nice big piece of quarter wall DOM. Ho ho ho. Set that guy there. Hopefully that doesn't fall. I feel like there's more stuff in here. I caught it with my feet. Oh, there's still more stuff? Yeah, there's still more stuff. I hear dogs barking. Oh. Oh. Hee hee hee. Rough Stuff Specialties t-shirt. You guys are the best. And so what this is a DOM steering kit with a 90-degree steering stabilizer bracket. We're gonna go look at what that's for. As we pass this, pay no attention to that. So, what we'll be replacing is this one piece stock guy. See how these, can't fix that. That one I can replace on that end, but these I believe are 16th wall on the inside. I can flex it with my hands, so that's a bad sign. And then obviously I would need to attach my steering stabilizer. Alright, just went through and unboxed all those parts. So you're thinking, alright, he's gonna go ahead and install those. Not just yet. No, actually, we're gonna go ahead and install these Off-Road Specialties heavy duty 6-inch shackle. You're wondering why I just talked about those parts when I'm gonna come over here and talk about these parts now. Because we're trying to time things. So doing a quick easy modification. Undo that bolt, jack it up, replace. Actually, wait. Replace. So we'll do that. Four-wheel drive stuff. So much fun. So much fun. Oh, you need to get a bolt out. Nut on the other side. That's just. a little trip to O'Reilly's. We're back. This thing is looking great. I think I have enough driveline left. I mean, I'll find out the next time I go flex it. But super easy swap. Pulled right in. Off-road design. 6-inch HD shackle hangers, and then the 14-inch travel Bilsteins that surprisingly worked. So I guess what would it be? The rebound? The compression, there we go. It's not gonna be that great on those. The extension will be fantastic, but compression, I could probably crunch them or, you know, run it into itself. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not a suspension guy, I just know those are some badass stuff. The reason we went to O'Reilly's is Steamport vents. Steamport vent gaskets. You know, for these guys. Steamports. Why? What do I have that has a Steamport? All my LS stuff is sitting, right? You notice this guy's sitting in the background? He's back. So let me go ahead and get this hood set up. But there it is. The 5.3 is back in. The BTR Stage 3 cam. I need to throw the belt on, but I haven't put the belt on because I don't want to spin the water pump and shoot coolant out everywhere. I went ahead and dried this all out. These are just sitting because I just needed to make sure I had the right one and it was in right. But yeah, let's see. Clean that out. I need to throw the gaskets in, tighten down the crossover, and then deal with the fact that I put the intake and the motor in and didn't put the gasket down there in the back somewhere. So it's gonna be a little fiddling, a little trying to get my hands down there. Once I get these gaskets on, we're gonna go ahead and try and get this thing started back up. Super dark in here as usual. I don't know why, I got all the lights on. That's stupid. But let's go ahead and get these gaskets on, get this thing running again, and listen to how it sounds with that big cam and the turbo and everything running like it should. I'm not your little, can't even talk. I'm not nervous, you're nervous. We're gonna get in here. I'm gonna set you guys like this for 1 second. While I go like this, you're wondering, what are you doing, Joe? This is such a great clip. Look at your fantastic photography skills, or video skills, or videography skills, or whatever that is. Hey, you can't see this. Well, I should probably check and see if I have a fuel leak. We'll do that in a second. Nope, I want to go file. So we're going to load this tune. Open. We're going to pop open my tune that I messed with yesterday, which is this one. Open. Then we're going to write it to this guy. Right calibration. Let it do that. So while it's doing that, I'm going to check and make sure this thing didn't leak fuel anywhere. I see no wet fuel. That's a good sign, right? Right? I guess, maybe, kinda. I don't know. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. It's doing that. I gotta put a belt on. And then we'll jump back in this. Well, what better way than to fire it up and find out. I'm gonna connect to HP real quick. When it starts and I get really quiet and don't talk and just kind of stare, don't make fun of me. I'm really nervous. Like I said, it just blipped. I gotta make sure it's not leaking, nothing. Please start. Oh boy. Oil pressure. Oh, come on.
best YouTuber in the world because I'm so prepared and like ready for. I don't see it leaking fuel or anything, but we're gonna find out why that did that. It's running. It threw a code for like the mass airflow or something. I think it just didn't fail into speed density quick enough yet. It was the first time it had fired and really ran, and I mean it's running. It's idling. It's idling high. I gotta get it, the coolant bled out all the way and everything. Yeah, the chicken with his head freaking cut off right now. I'm just running around left and right. I got water on the screen, water on me. I don't even know where something dry is to actually wipe you guys off. Oh geez, all right, let's get this cleaned up. Oh hey, you know what? Rough Stuff Specialties coming in clutch. Brand new shirt. This will be dry. Son of a bitch. 75? I don't know. So through 106 again, PO 106. I got it to go off. I'm gonna check the trans fluid. I don't see anything leaking. I think I'm gonna move the crew cab and I might go around the block on this thing. It's been a hot minute since this guy's moved. I don't see anything leaking. It's so loud, it's so obnoxious to me. Like I was saying, I'm no tuner. HP Tuners is meant for tuners. It's not Holly. There is no Holly take the wheel. That thing kicks my butt. I can figure it out a little bit. I beat the crap out of the truck before for a long time, and I think I just got too spicy with the tune, and I may have had a fuel pressure issue. A little bit too much timing and a low fuel pressure / lean condition. That's how you melt a piston, and that's how you end up with that guy. So I don't want that to happen again. This is a good motor that I'm saving for next time for something else. I want this to run good. So the fans definitely came on. I just want to go through and let it cool for a little bit. Or not cool, cycle itself, go through and I'll check some stuff. I've been cleaning up this guy. I haven't forgot about it. Went through and welded some more stuff out. Got the built 5.3 ready to go in it. And at the moment it is just a parts bin. In the rear window and stuff like that. I'm just, yeah, this is gonna sit. So, wifey's done with lunch. Got the little boy back down in his chair drinking a bottle. This thing is on the ground. I'm shaking a little bit, I'm so nervous. So, let's get it fired back up. I didn't see any leaks. Everything seemed great. Fire it up. And I just want to go around the block one time. See how it drives, make sure that everything else is normal. Okay, it's running. Start scanning. Okay, I know the driver doors are ajar. Okay, that's all good, that's good. From sitting, it got some like mold on the seats. So I will definitely be going through and cleaning the crap out of this thing. So like I said, I just want to go around the block once. That window is so squeaky. So yeah, like I said, go around the block once, bring it back home, check on it, make sure everything's good. I'll shut it off. I'll heat check everything, you know, cycle everything over, make sure everything's cool, fluid check everything, and start another video on another day, you know what I mean? But for now, this will be great. I just want it to run, and I just want to make sure everything works. Give it a little throttle. Okay. Switch to the GoPro, and then we'll get on out of here. Oh boy. Okay. Safety first with the Bro seatbelt. No idea how nervous I am. Okay. I mean, honestly, everything should be okay. I just haven't driven I think.
Oh, I'm so nervous. You guys are like, he's not talking, he's not doing anything. Yeah, I'm just terrified, sorry. See if the two-step still works. That's it. And it is still working. We're at 190 degrees. We're at 38 pounds of oil pressure. Wow, I can't believe it. Trans temp's 106. Everything seems great. Alright boys, let's get out, get in the G7, or get onto the G7, finish the video out, and see where we end up. Check. Leaks. No leaks. Oh. Can I just tell you guys how great that is to have that thing back? I'm gonna probably spend the rest of the day after editing cleaning it out. I got this like refresh balm thing that like gonna make it smell like a douchebag, and then some Old Spice mint stuff to make it smell more like a douchebag, because yeah, that's gonna be good. You know what? Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe on this. We're gonna get to some steering stuff on the K30 in the next day or so. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy the victory that is getting my stock bottom end 5.3 BTR cam VS Racing 8375 Snake Eater 1000 daily driver back. I mean, let's get some B-roll of this girl, right? I'm kidding. We're gonna get in here, get this all sorted, get my day done, edit this out, get it to you guys. And with that, we'll get out of here. After show builds, out.